Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, OMG, I'm going to share to you alternative to luxury trendy bags that we have right now. So currently, I will be sharing to you 8 bags. So we are going to replace bags from Chanel, Bottega Venetta, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, and more. So definitely for today, you're on luck because we are going to save tons and tons and tons of money. So make sure you watch the entire episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about the latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. So apologies guys if you're going to hear water droplets. It's raining really hard, but you know, I have to keep on filming. So the very first 2 bags that we are going to discuss both would be it bags from Bottega Venetta, and bag number 1 would be Bottega pouch bag. So of course, we know this is such a very popular it bag. It's all over Instagram, it's all over TikTok, but then again, it's super expensive. So what is the alternative of this one from the brand MANSUR GAVRIEL, and the name of the bag is Cloud Clutch. So this one guys, what are the pros of this bag? So of course, number 1, aside from it being very similar to Bottega Venetta pouch bag, of course it comes in different sizes. So with this different sizes, you could also choose different variety. So you could just purchase either just a clutch. So a clutch doesn't come with any sling, but there's an option where you could purchase cloud clutch with a sling bag. Then of course it comes also with a shoulder bag version, and it also comes with a wristlet style version. And of course, we know that the price is very affordable. The best part is it's made of 100% lambskin leather. Wow, amazing, right? So if you are going to visit the MANSUR GAVRIEL's website, you are going to see that it really does resemble the Bottega Venetta's pouch bag, and OMG, it comes in very luscious and yummy color, like just like with it Bottega Venetta green, OMG. And as you can see, it comes in different sizes. And for me, honestly guys, I would be choosing this one because I've tried the Bottega pouch bag. It's really beautiful. Yes, it's super beautiful, but for me, that is super expensive. And I feel for a bag that's super expensive and it's super slouchy, I feel the longevity of this bag would not be, you know, it wouldn't be good for wear and tear. But if you're going to purchase the alternative bag for a much lesser price, then definitely you are morely going to enjoy this bag. Alright, so it bag number 2 again from Bottega Venetta, and of course we couldn't leave out the Bottega Jodie bag. So again, another popular it bag all over Instagram, all over TikTok, but then again, super expensive. So what is the alternative? So it is from FURLA, and the name of the bag is Ginger Bag. So this is their version of the hobo bag style. Pros are it comes in 3 different sizes. So it comes in large, it comes in small, and mini. So the large and small doesn't come with a sling or a shoulder strap, but if you're going to choose the mini size, this one now comes with the detachable sling, which is very good because of course, as much as possible, me personally, I would want to have an option where I could wear it as a shoulder or as a crossbody bag. Comes in different beautiful spring summer colors, and the material is in calfskin leather. So if you're going to see the photos at FURLA.com, you're going to see that again, it really resembles the pouch bag. And I feel I've heard couple of videos here on YouTube that one of the con of the Bottega Venetta Jodie bag is the difficulty to open and close the bag. And if we are going to compare the hobo bag of FURLA, the ginger hobo bag, I feel that this one is a little bit better when it comes to opening and closing the bag. It looks really spacious, and then again, you are going to be happy with the price. So bags 3 and 4 are from Chanel, and bag number 3 is the Chanel heart bag. So definitely I couldn't leave the heart bag because when Chanel has produced this one, everyone fell in love immediately. Even me personally, I think this bag is really cute. But of course, we know this, aside from being it very difficult to get, the price is super expensive for me. So what is the alternative? It is from one of my favorite brand, MOSCHINO. For MOSCHINO heart bag, they have their own version. In this one, it is their classic MOSCHINO design of the motorcycle jacket. So they have designed it into the heart-shaped bag. Of course, it comes in different colors, it comes in different material. This one, again, another pro of the MOSCHINO heart-shaped bag is it comes with the fully detachable chain link strap, and the chain link strap is fully adjustable. And it comes with a top handle strap. So if we are going to see this one, honestly guys, the moto jacket of MOSCHINO, this is one of the bag also on my wish list. And as you know guys, I love MOSCHINO because they are very fun. They are very quirky. So just here are some examples. I have my condom bag, and I have this bag that is actually shape of a shoe. So the heart bag, definitely she looks very beautiful. And if you are going to see how it opens guys, it looks very spacious. Alright, so it bag number 4 is of course Chanel 19. So definitely Chanel 19. I also love this bag. You know guys, I am such a huge fan of Chanel. If I could get my hands on a Chanel 19 and if my budget would allow, then definitely I would want to add this to my collection. But what is the alternative? It is the Coach Madison bag. This one guys, I wasn't expecting Coach Madison. I've actually seen this one from my last visit to our local Coach store here. So the material of this one, you could choose from different variety of leather. It also comes in the denim monogram. You could choose from different colors. It can be worn multiple ways. You could wear it single chain or as a double chain. So that is actually better compared to the Chanel 19, because the Chanel 19 you could only wear it as a single chain. This one has a huge back pocket. Guys, me personally, I love a huge back pocket at the of the bag, because definitely for me, that is where I could easily store my phone. So whenever I would be out, I could put my phone there, especially when I'm doing a shopping vlog. It would be easier for me. And of course, it has a spacious main compartment. So guys, this one, OMG, if you haven't seen Coach Madison, definitely check them out at your local Coach store. It looks really luxurious. The leather, guys, if you are not a fan of Coach, OMG, you are missing a lot on a well-crafted, luxurious bag. So definitely you have to check the Coach Pillow Madison. Right, for it bags 5 and 6, this would be from Fendi. So it bag number 5, of course, would be Fendi Baguette. You know guys how much I am obsessed in getting my very own Fendi Baguette, and of course they would be coming up with their 25th anniversary, which would make me lust even more for this bag. Unfortunately, again, this bag is super expensive, although yes, it is very beautiful. The alternative of the Fendi Baguette, of course, would be from Coach Pillow Tabby or the Coach Tabby. So this one guys, you know how much I love the Coach Tabby line. It's really luxurious, it's really beautiful, and definitely this could only be purchased at Coach store, not at Coach outlet. For the material of the Coach Tabby, definitely you could get it in different material. There, you could get it from monogram canvas, you could get it for calfskin leather. I'm not really sure if the Pillow Tabby is a lambskin leather, because I've touched this one. It's really soft and it feels really luxurious. More advantage of the Coach Pillow Tabby and Coach Tabby versus the Fendi Baguette. So it comes with 2 straps. So it comes with fully detachable top handle strap, and it comes with fully detachable longer shoulder strap. You have variety of option where you could carry this one. So of course, remove the strap, you could carry it as a clutch. Just attach the top handle, then you could carry it, you know, in a more chic, classy way. Then of course, a leather strap, wear it crossbody, then it could be a casual bag. It comes in 2 sizes, the 28 centimeters and the 18 centimeters. Me personally, I would be choosing the 28 centimeters because it would fit a lot more. Then of course, many colors to choose from. As you could see here guys, their spring summer colors is so beautiful. They have like unicorn colors. OMG. I'm just a little bit sad because here in the Philippines, there is only one pillow tabby. It's in silver. I'm going to put a video here. That's the only one. We don't have pillow tabby here, but I've already requested from our Coach store. Just in case we are going to have pillow tabby, message me immediately. I will run to their store and purchase a pillow tabby right on the store. Alright, it bag number 6 is the FENDIgraphy bag. So this is the latest it bag from Fendi. I think among all the hobo bags that I've seen from Louis Vuitton, from other brands, from DIOR, from Chanel, this is one of the most beautiful hobo bag that I've seen. I've even tried the nano version, and OMG, it's like, you know, it's super delicious. Even though it's small, I'm super tempted to purchase this one. The alternative to the FENDIgraphy bag is from Stella McCartney, and the name of the bag is the Frayme Mini Zip Sequin Shoulder Bag. So this one, guys, is another hobo bag style. This is the first time, honestly, that I've seen this style. So this is a hobo bag style. The material is, the trims are made from recycled polyester. So the one that I've choose, guys, is a sequin shoulder bag. OMG, just look at how it shines, how it sparkles. You know how I love anything sparkly, anything sequiny. This one is a go for me. So definitely could choose from many colors that it has. And the one of the very beautiful design feature of this bag is their classic chain detail. As you are going to see the chain detail, just like the FENDIgraphy bag, it would go underneath of the bag, and then it would be the shoulder strap as well. OMG. Then of course it's made in Italy, so you are assured that the bag is well crafted, and of course the price is very, very affordable. So definitely I wish I could see this one in person, but I think you could order this one at their website. Bag 7 and 8 is from Louis Vuitton. So it bag number 7, it's either the Louis Vuitton On The Go or the DIOR Booktote. So of course this one is very beautiful. Of course, both of these bags are very, very expensive. And the alternative to this very beautiful it bag is from Marc Jacobs, and it is the Marc Jacobs the tote bag. So of course this one, guys, this Marc Jacobs tote bag, I am seeing this a lot on Instagram. It's very, very popular right now. Everyone is loving this bag. They are actually making this bag their own by putting on bag charms, by putting on twillies. It looks really luxurious. For me personally, I would be choosing the leather version because the material you could choose from canvas or leather. I've seen this in person. It's very affordable, and meaning since it's very price friendly, you are not going to be afraid of carrying this one wherever you are going. So it could be a travel bag, it could be a work bag. Comparing, let's say, to the On The Go, which looks very flimsy, and I feel that because of the price, I would be very hesitant to be carrying that with me for a place like, for example, travel or at work. Then of course, it comes in different sizes, and it comes in different colors to choose from. So definitely take note of the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. Last it bag, of course, is from Louis Vuitton. It's the Pochette accessoire, or the mini Pochette. And because this one, of course, this is everyone's favorite. Me, I am a Louis Vuitton collector, and of course I would want to get a hold either of the mini Pochette or the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. But of course, we know, guys, because of the continuous price increase of Louis Vuitton, me, guys, I am shying away even with the mini Pochette. As beautiful as she is, but OMG, the last time that I've seen this from our local Louis Vuitton store, the price, I was like taken aback. So the alternative to this very beautiful it bag, of course, is still from Coach, and it is their swinger bag. So the swinger bag, this one, definitely, of course, being, aside from being price friendly, you could choose from different materials. So you could choose the Coach canvas to genuine leather. It comes in different many designs and comes in different colors as well. The feature that I love about the Coach swinger bag, the top handle strap can be fully detachable. So there are different designs. So sometimes it could be a leather top handle, sometimes it could be a chain top handle. Then of course, for me, this one, I've seen this in person. The size is bigger compared to the mini Pochette, because the mini Pochette, I couldn't even fit my iPhone 6s Plus, but the swinger bag, definitely, you could fit your phone in. it could fit your phone, it could fit a lot more. Then it could also work as a mini pochette because the top handle is fully detachable, so it could also work as a catch-all for your bag. There, so who says trendy needs to be very expensive? So hope you like our selection for today. And OMG, can you imagine the savings that we are going to save from the alternative bags? So let me know, guys, among the 8 alternative bags that I've shown you, which one is your favorite. Would love to hear from each and every one of you. Alright, so guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!